Hi. In the last video I explained how to easily replace old earpad cushions. Today I will show you how to replace JBL Tune 500BT headphones headband foam pad easily and cheaply. To do this you need to buy a replacement headband cushion. The link is in the video description. As you can see, the current old headband cushion pad is awful looking. Besides, the whites from pads stay in my hair and everyone thinks I have dandruff. The old headband pad is glued, so try to remove it with a flat screwdriver, but be careful not to damage the headphones. As soon as you can grab the old headband cushion, feel free to remove it. As you can see, the double-sided adhesive strips on the plastic body are still there. Any excess needs to be removed. A clean plastic should be left, so that the new headband can be glued on. Before gluing the new replacement headband, need to check how you put it in place. Check that the cushion fits well. If you're ready, remove the paper from the double-sided tape and start by inserting both ends as far as possible into the headband body, then glue the middle in place. Done. I can't tell if the wrinkles were supposed to be there or not. Anyway, it looks more better. I won't have any more dandruff on my head. If you found this video useful, feel free to say thank by hitting the like button. Cheers.